Uniqueness is like a fingerprint. You will not be able to get one more same type of person. Once if you are able to identify that uniqueness within you, you are unique, special and creative. Every individual is unique. Every individual needs a customization of happiness. Once if we are able to identify that uniqueness, we no longer feel inferior or superior. No frustration, no jealousy, so that you are complete human being. Because, like example, for myself, I am unique myself. And my uniqueness is on scientific spirituality. If we start comparing ourselves, then the problem starts. We are peripherally unique, we are centrally united. Because in the periphery, I am a piece of creation. In the center, the source of creation. The deeper level, I am just made of 99.99999% empty like space. The deeper level, I am one with everyone, everything, everywhere. But in the periphery, I am unique. I need to identify my self-worth and contribute. So, once if we are able to identify your uniqueness, you will be automatically happy because you feel as though you are complete life. Life of a being. That being is inside. The center of you is complete. Once if you realize this, you feel good. Or we are in the being of goodness. Not that outside, looking good. Because once if we are only in the periphery, the looking good matters. But it has a repercussion of consequences. So looking good to be replaced with being good, so that you feel good as a unique individual. Uniqueness gives a motivation for us to do what best we can contribute to the whole world without comparison, without inferiority or superiority complex. Because life, after all, paropakarartham idam shariram, we have come to create some contribution towards the society as a unique individual. Thank you.